Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Well, you read the title. Unfortunately, it's true. This is probably the first time in my adult life I've hit a deer. I remember hitting one when I was a teenager, but hit it coming out here at Rocky Fork Ranch. A little one ran out in front of me. I was probably only doing 35 miles an hour, luckily. But I thought I was going to go into the woods where there was a big doe that was by it. I thought I was going to run in there with it. Unfortunately, decided to take a turn towards the road and ran right in front of me. The only damage I see is right here, right below the light. There's still some hair down here. There's some hair, but it hit right here. I can't believe that's the only damage it did. Yeah, hard to believe. And there's a support beam right behind it. Had it hit anywhere down here, I think I would have been in trouble. But it just hit where the support was. And we were towing too. We were towing our car. And unfortunately, there's definitely some blood and there's some blood here we're gonna have to get off. There's a big pile here. Absolutely no damage though, and I think it was an absolute blessing that we had the tow bars back here, because that tow bar came out here, and I think the tow bar kept it from flipping up on top of the car. This car's so little, man, it would have tore up that front end. But I was just looking, I don't see anything. I don't see any damage whatsoever. Yep, we got real lucky. Real lucky. I don't see any damage. I'm kind of doing this for insurance too, just in case we needed a video for insurance. Well, this was yesterday, and by the time we got out here, it was dark, and I couldn't have gotten a video anyway. That was one of the problems why I didn't see it. It was just getting dark, and it was one of those deer. Think fast. Well, you're not going to stop this 37-footer. But I'm glad my wife was not driving this car behind us. Absolutely, she would have. That thing would have went over top, and really damaged this car. So, yep, hit a deer. All right, we're still out here having fun though. Holiday weekend. I'm gonna do another video on that, but this is just for this topic. Yeah. Anybody else out there hit a deer or an animal wherever you live? Hopefully not a moose. I felt bad. I really did. All right, back to